So how to create events in Odoo? So we have to install event module first. After installing, move to event and create a new event. So event name will be dance. Let's say dance. Language will be English. Organization will be SDLC. And responsible will be Bhuvaneshwar. Website will be SDLC. And via link, let's say okay, tickets, registration form 30 rupees, minimum 30. Okay, let's say invite. This and just say send to all. So it has been sent. We can see the event has been created on 11th October 12 p.m. Now we can say if the all seats are booked, then booked, then it will be in book tab. Now let's say something is announced, then it will be announced tag. So now let's say the event has been ended, so it will be in ended tag. Now let's say the event has been cancelled, so it will be in cancelled bar. That's how we will create an event in Odoo.